Today we'll start with topic 3, unit 2, which is engineering methods. What, for what purpose engineering method? Engineering methods are going to be used for increasing the productivity. Again I am saying that what is mean by productivity? Productivity means the maximum output from minimum input. It is the ratio of maximum output from minimum input. So you are going to increase the production with the less amount of inputs, that is man, material and machine. Whatever will be the inputs are there, that should be minimized to increase the productivity. In that, one tool is there, management tool is there, called as Kaizen. Have you, I think all are working people, that means everybody is knowing about Kaizen. So regarding this Kaizen, Masaki Imai is known as the developer of Kaizen. Out of in that Kaizen word KAI means change of or the action to correct, and Zen means good. Kaizen is a small incremental changes made for improving productivity and minimizing the waste. Improving the productivity and minimizing the waste. Kaizen, what good changes? Change for correct. Change or the action to correct. Good change. Kaizen. That is called as Kaizen. Moreover, Kaizen means continuing improvement in personal life, home life, social life, and working life. When applied to the workplace, Kaizen means continuing improvement involving everyone, managers and workers alike. Now, what there are three principles of the Kaizen. Consider the process and the results. Second, the need to look at the entire process of the job at hand and to evaluate the job as to the best way to get the job done. Kaizen must be approached in such a way that no one is blamed and that best process is put into place. Now, features of Kaizen: widely applicable, highly effective and result oriented, a learning experience, a team based and cross functional. These are the features of Kaizen: widely applicable, highly effective and result oriented, good learning experience, and team based or cross functional. It is a culture for way of life, for increasing the way of life, focusing and eliminating the waste, begins and ends with people, total system focused, not just one department, but total system is going to be focused with this Kaizen. Okay, these are the features of the Kaizen. Concept: what is meant by Kaizen? Key concepts are SDCA to PDCA. SDCA means plan to confirm and act, control and act. Here, schedule to control and act. Quality first is another concept. If something can be improved, quality first means if something can be improved, a measure must exist by which improvement can be quantified. Quality characteristics. Upstream management: speak with data, variability control and recurrence preventions. These are the key concepts. What we have learned, we are changing to SDCA, standard to check an action. This plan to act, check and act. This is standard. In earlier cases, we are in again we are last unit we have seen that new concept of quality and old concept of quality. In old concept, we are providing standards to the, then according to that standards we are doing, we are checking that, and if required we are taking the actions. But in now what we are doing, we are planning to have final product as a good quality. According to that we plan it, do it accordingly, check it accordingly, and act it accordingly. Plan, perform, monitor and improve. Plan, perform means do, monitor means check, and improve means act. This is the main concept for Kaizen, which changes from standard SDCA standard to check and act to plan to check and act. Phases in Kaizen. First of all, whenever you want to implement the Kaizen, select an event, plan an event, implement an event, and follow up an event. For continuous improvement, whatever will be the, whatever you are saying that this is going to be your target, write it down, plan accordingly. Whatever will be the goal, plan accordingly, implement, try it, how you are going to achieve that event in a best manner that you have to see, and follow. If it is not going to be achievable, why it is not achieved, you have to do analysis about that, so that whatever will be decided, whatever we are going to be decided, that must be achieved. These are the main Kaizen elements are teamwork, personal discipline, improved moral, quality, and suggestion for improvement. These are the basic Kaizen elements are there. 5 S in Kaizen: sorting, simplifying, sweeping, standardizing, and sustaining. Sorting out: Siri, system, query, season, SISO, speak and span, Cisco, serene atmosphere, stick to self-discipline. These are the concept of 5S that we are going to implement. Whenever we are going to implement the Kaizen, we are going to implement the 5S, that is sorting, simplifying, sweeping, standardizing, and sustaining. Sweeping means scrap it, सॉर्ट, तुमच्याकडे जे काही पडतं आहे पहिल्यांदा सॉर्टिंग करा, नंतर सिम्प्लिफाय करा. सॉर्ट झाल्यानंतर किंवा हे कुठं लागणार आहे, कुठं लागणार आहे, ह्याच्या हिशोबाने सॅग्रिगेट करा, सिम्प्लिफाय करा. स्वीपिंग नको आहे, काही लागत नाही, बऱ्याच वर्षापासून वापरलेलं नाही, एक तर स्क्रॅप करा किंवा अनवॉन्टेडचा मग एक बिन करा, त्याच्यामध्ये ठेवून द्या. स्टँडर्डायझेशन, आणि हे सगळं करण्याच्या आधी पहिल्यांदा स्टँडर्डाइज पण करा, किंवा त्याचे 10 बोल्ट आहेत, 10 बोल्टच्या ऐवजी एकच बोल्ट कसा ठेवता येईल त्याच्या हिशोबाने स्टँडर्डाइज करा. अँड सस्टेन म्हणजे हे मेंटेन करायचा प्रयत्न करा. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ Kaizen reduces the waste like inventory waste, time waste, and worker motion. Kaizen improves space utilization and product quality. Kaizen results in higher employee moral and job satisfaction. Kaizen teaches workers how to solve everyday problem. Everyday problem are there, that how to solve that problem, that will be teachers to the employee. It is going to attack on 7 deadly waste: overproduction, waiting, transportation, overprocessing, inventory, motion, and defects. overproduction म्हणजे उगीच प्रोडक्शन काढून ठेवायचं, unnecessary wasting, मॅनपॉवर वेस्ट होणार, सगळं होणार. त्याचं युजफुल नाही ते ओव्हर प्रोडक्शन, त्याची डिमांड येणार नाही, असं ओव्हर प्रोडक्शन करून वेटिंग. माणूस नुसता बसून नाही, मटेरियलच येत नाही, त्याला रॉ मटेरियल येत नाही. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन इथून म्हणजे ह्या कॉर्नरपासून एक लाईनवर ठेवण्याची जी ह्या कॉर्नरचा माल त्या कॉर्नरमध्ये पाठवणं, त्याच्यामध्ये ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. ओव्हर प्रोसेसिंग, जसं ओव्हर प्रोडक्शन तसंच ओव्हर प्रोसेसिंग करून ठेवायचं. रॉ म्हणजे ठीक आहे पुढचं म्हणून करून ठेवा. इन्व्हेंटरी त्यामुळे अडकून पडणार, ब्लॉक होऊन जाणार. मोशन्स, त्या मटेरियलची मुवमेंट जी आहे ती मोशनकडे लक्षात ठेवा. डिफेक्ट्स, कारण त्या मोशनमध्ये माईट बी प्रॉडक्ट एखादा फ्रेश प्रॉडक्ट असेल किंवा एखादा चांगला प्रॉडक्ट असेल दॅट कॅन बी गेट्स डॅमेज झाले की डिफेक्ट्स होईल. तर डिफेक्ट्स तुम्हाला होऊ नये म्हणून त्याची काळजी घेणं तेवढंच आहे. याचा विचार केला तर इट इज ॲन एक्झाम्पल टू TPS, टोटल प्रोप्रायटर प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम इज नोन फॉर Kaizen, where all line personnel are expected to stop their moving production line in case of any abnormality and along with their supervisor suggest an improvement to resolve the abnormality which may initiate the Kaizen. Pitfalls in Kaizen: resistance to change, lack of proper procedure to implement, too much suggestion may lead to confusion and time waste, difficult to implement in large scale processes where analyzing requires a lot of time. Kaizen helps to see the waste turn problems into profit, constantly change for the better one. Okay, these are the regarding with Kaizen. That means this main Kaizen concept: 1. Quality first, upstream management, speak and data, culture, way of life. These are the culture widely applicable, सगळीकडे आपण हाय इफेक्टिव्ह अँड रिझल्ट ओरिएंटेड निश्चित असेल. त्याच्याने रिझल्ट पण येणार आहे, हाय इफेक्टिव्हनेस पण राहणार आहे, एक चांगला एक्सपिरियन्स राहणार आहे. त्याच्यामुळे भरपूर काही गोष्टी शिकायला मिळणार आहेत, टीम बेस्ड वगैरे राहणार आहे, भरपूर फायदे आहेत. त्यामुळे Kaizen हे इम्प्लिमेंट करणं तेवढं जरुरी आहे. ओके, हे Kaizenच्या बद्दलचं आपण बघितलेलं आहे. आज Kaizen बघितलं, उद्या आपण वेगवेगळे बघणार आहे. जे मेथड्स आहेत म्हणजे इंजिनिअरिंग मेथड्स म्हणजे टू इम्प्रूव्ह दी productivity that we are going to see, out of which this is one Kaizen is the one method. Next tomorrow we will see SMED. Okay, thank you.